Parang kumulas ang kaluluwa ng Japanese knockout artist noong nahagip ito ng kamao ng ating pambato na tubong Dawis Bohol na si Reggie Suganov. Ito ang kauna-unahang laban ng Hapon sa labas ng bansang Japan, kaya malamang sa alamang madadala na itong dumayo pa dito sa ating sariling teritoryo. Itong Japanese knockout artist na si Kai Iizawa, mga bossing, ay minsan na ring nakadali ng Pinoy sa Japan. Ito ay noong pinarusahan ito ang ating kababayan na tubong Don Carlos Bukidnon na si J. Sever Abseri. Kinawawa ito ng Japanese via round 5 knockout. Kaya naman mga bossing, sa nagawa ng ating kababayan si Reggie Suganov, masasabi na rin nating na ipaghiganti na nito ang ginawa ng Japanese kay J. Sever Abseri. Ang Japanese, mga bossing, ay may kartadang 11 panalo, may 3 talo, at 10 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Samantala ang ating pambato naman, mga bossing, na si Reggie Suganov ay may kartadang 14 na panalo, may 1 talo, at 4 dito ay tinapos via knockout. Paglalabanan nila dito, mga boss, ang WBO Global Light Flyweight title. Huwag na natin patagalin to, mga bossing, bakbakan agad.
WBO Global Light Flyweight Championship. Attorney Dan Rex Tapdazan is that Suganov has to be very careful of. Suganov suffered his first loss in his career just last year, last July 2, sa labas ng Pilipinas. That was against Sivanati Notshinga in South Africa. Itong si Ronald Chacon. So dito po sa round number 1, medyo nagkakapaan pa sila. Again, scheduled for 12, and usually the longer fights would favor the Filipino, who's more of a boxer, a stylist, and he is a power hitter, but now he's displaying some power. 4-punch combination, no response for Ishizawa. Of a very young Luisito Espinosa, the way he's built and the hand speed, that division is where the most championships have been taken by Filipinos. Suganov, and you can see no matter where you go, Filipinos are very astute about boxing. Alam nila kung maganda ang pinakita, alam din nila kung medyo nadedehado, medyo there's a lot of buzz going around after that power shot coming from Ishizawa. It's Ishizawa's turn right now to try and take the advantage. By our unofficial scorecard, Suganov is leading in this round. Let's see what kind of finishing kick this 27-year-old from Japan has. Ishizawa absorbing some punishment. That's a left hook to the head. More shots to the head coming from Suganov. Final seconds of round number 1.
Jet.
Hanggang dito na lang muna ang ating video ngayon mga boss. Kaya kung ngayon ka palang napadpad sa ating munting channel, mas maganda kung nakasubscribe ka na para lagi kang ma-notify sa ating mga bagong uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Mabuhay, ingat po, and God bless!